BiteSizedEDU. I'm Presley, and today we're going to be doing a Mel Science kit. A while ago, Mel Science reached out to us and asked if we wanted to try one of their kits, and we said yes because it was really cool, and we were totally blown away.
Yeah, I was amazed.
Yeah, it was really cool.
It's super high quality stuff. We did the snake.
Yeah.
Right? And so, when you burn it, like the old firework, that when you burn it, the carbon snake kind of comes out.
Yeah.
And so, that was a super cool video.
It was.
We'll put a link in the description to watch that video. And when you sign up, you get this starter kit, which has a lot of really good stuff in it. It's got a little burner in it, so legit chemistry stuff. It's got some glassware. It's got a lot of really awesome stuff, super high quality stuff. And then every month they send you 2 experiment packs.
Yes. Each one has 2 experiments, which you can do twice.
Yep.
So basically, you can do 8 experiments.
8 experiments a month. So I thought this one looked pretty cool. This is the chemistry and special effects one. Here, I'm going to cover your face. Peekaboo, peekaboo. So we're going to do the chemistry and special effects, and they have this really cool, they take these really beautiful close-up photographs of the experiments. And so this one is a fuse.
Oh, really?
Like a movie fuse. So you're going to make it like it's burning towards the dynamite and it's about to blow up.
Yeah!
Right? So
that's
this one is how to make like a little movie fuse. We're going to do iron sparkles. So the little sparks that fly off and do those kinds of things. What do you think that is?
Iron?
It's iron. Because you use iron in a lot of these things, right? So this is, yes. All right, you ready, Cooper?
If you is it like when you hit like a iron and sometimes it has like a big spark if you hit it too hard?
Yeah, that's exactly right. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, you got like a dynamax or something, but when you hit a iron ore and sometimes it makes like a
spark?
Yeah, spark.
Yeah, is that what happens in Minecraft?
No. Yeah. Well, it doesn't. You can get a diamond axe and get diamond iron ore, but it doesn't make any sparks.
Okay. All right. Let's take a look and see what we got here. So first, we'll open this because it will tell us what parts we need out of the starter kit.
Yes.
So again,
It's
really nicely packaged. I'm really impressed with it. They take some time, and there's all of these. Welcome to science.
Welcome.
Yokoso. A bunch of different languages on there. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, but just in case you're in Japanese or something.
That's right. And then in here you have your instructions, what you need. There's more detailed instructions. Each experiment comes with these really cool little cards actually. There's really detailed cards on the back. There's IKEA.
All this stuff.
Yeah, there's IKEA step-by-step picture instructions on there. And I love that they have the chemical reaction, the chemical formula for the reaction that you're actually creating, and then some pretty detailed instructions. They also have a little Google Cardboard, and there's an app that you can put it on and look in 3D of all the molecules that you're playing around with in the experiment that you're doing.
It's really cool. We looked at it.
It is really cool.
We're all geared up.
We're all geared up. Cooper, what safety equipment do you have on?
Gloves.
Gloves?
And they have a cool effect. If you do this, it sounds like a farting sound.
It does sound like a farting sound. That's bonus material. Thank you, Mel Science.
Yeah. It kind of makes like a squeak.
Yeah.
If you get close.
I think those are actually our gloves. These are Mel Science's gloves. Okay, Cooper, what other science safety equipment are you wearing?
Goggles.
Goggles. Okay, so we all have goggles and we have gloves.
I don't have goggles because I have glasses.
You have glasses. Okay, you ready? Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's start we also have the tray which came in the starter kit.
Yeah.
This is a good place to do the experiment. So we need this guy and we need the equipment out of this little baggie.
Yeah, we started.
So we're gonna do, first, we're gonna put some iron
In the thing.
Can I do the iron?
This. You can do the iron. Okay, hold that.
I want to do this.
I'm gonna do this. Now turn it over.
See, it's orange like me.
Turn it over.
You want to help bang it?
Yeah, I'll help bang.
Okay, that's probably enough. So not a ton of iron.
Yeah,
Oh,
there's
a little bit more
not a
came
ton
out.
iron, but there's still some. It won't even get. Let me look at the iron. Yeah, there's definitely a couple more. Look in there. Yeah, there's all done.
Okay, so there's all the iron. So now what are we going to put in?
This thing.
What is that thing?
This is sodium nitrate. Calcium nitrate.
Calcium nitrate.
Is that what it's going to make it all watery? Like
You gotta poke a hole in it.
Yeah, this is liquid, and so they have a little. They even provide, and even so, this is the detail level of the MEL Chemistry kit. The paper clip that you use to poke a hole, like I was doing, so don't be careful not to squeeze it while you poke the hole, so that it doesn't shoot liquid everywhere. The paper clip that comes with it. So number one, it comes with a paper clip to poke it in there. And number two, the paper clip is already kind of straightened out a little bit so that it's ready to poke in. Like that's how detailed it is. Here, there you go.
And it's especially good if you don't know how to poke a hole. You just go straight with a paper.
Camera, please. Okay. So there's our calcium nitrate, and Presley's crazy spraying is an example of why we're wearing goggles and gloves. You might want to choose to be a little more careful with how you spray calcium nitrate. Okay, here we go. So now this gets mixed up. Let's see, does it say how long to shake it? It says close tightly and shake like a Polaroid picture.
Does it?
No, it doesn't say that. Okay, so there we got this. And now we're going to take one of these guys.
Ooh, it's bubbling.
Okay, so we get one of these circles of paper.
Like cut it in half.
And we're going to cut it in half.
Yeah, and you need to use, like I think, this
Presley could calculate the area of these.
I could, well, maybe.
Yeah.
If I had a ruler, which I
Right,
don't.
and then, well, now we're going to paint. Okay, so we're going to take half of this.
Can I paint it?
Of course you can. So now we got it all rolled up like that, which is what we're supposed to do. Now this says, and I'm the only one that's going to do this for right now. Step 7 is to take off the protective gloves. Nope, just me. I'm the only one taking off gloves.
Okay, it's safety first.
Safety first.
Safety. Let me do that.
You can blow in there if you want to, but don't take it off.
Yeah, I did it. I have never been able to do that before.
I did it.
Okay. Hold on, I gotta build the little burner. Everybody's, don't hyperventilate, please. Okay, you ready, Coop? You wanna help me build the burner?
Yeah.
The disposables come with a monthly kit, so the little aluminum foil comes with the kit.
Yeah.
That goes right there. And then we take
It's a burner just like the other one.
the fuse that we built, and it's going to sit on here for 10 minutes to dry. So really what needs to happen now is it needs to dry.
All right.
So we're just going to let the candle burn a little bit, let that get nice and hot, and cook that until it's dry.
Okay.
And then when it's dry, we're probably going to go outside to light the fuse.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then we'll go outside and we'll light the fuse.
And it goes.
That
Hopefully.
one can hope. We went and watched the video, short video, and read the website about it. And if you guys have watched our stuff at all, you know that we love to do science experiments, but we love to have a good explanation, right, Cooper?
Yeah.
We like to know why it happened. So Cooper, let's talk about the first thing that we learned, which is, so we have the little vial with iron, the little metal shavings in it, and we poured the calcium nitrate in there. Why did we pour calcium nitrate in there?
Because it's just a powder,
The iron.
and that's a liquid, so we need to turn that powder into liquid so that you can actually get some liquid on the paintbrush so it can actually paint. And it's not like anyone paints with tiny little droplets.
That's exactly right. You want to explain that in a different way?
Yes. So you mix the calcium nitrate with the iron to help it spread evenly along the paper.
Yeah, it spreads the iron, makes the iron is suspended in solution, so it's evenly sort of distributed across the solution, so when you paint it on, it gets iron all through the paper.
Yes, as well as it, when it burns, it turns into oxygen.
It releases oxygen.
It releases oxygen, which makes the fire burn hotter and faster.
Yeah, so the calcium nitrate serves two purposes. One, you need something to put the iron in solution so that you can more evenly distribute it across the paper. And while you're doing that, you might as well use something that helps it burn hotter.
Yeah.
And the calcium nitrate does that.
Yes.
Right? Which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
What else did we learn?
I think I have the questions prepared. And then we also learned a little bit about why we used iron. And we just use iron because you could use magnesium or something else.
Yeah, aluminum, I think.
Aluminum or magnesium. Yes, magnesium. But we just use iron because it's more plentiful. We have more iron.
So if this was made out of iron and I put a match on it, it wouldn't burn.
Yes.
So why did the iron make such a great sparkler?
Well, it's partially because it is a powder, and it is the experiment we did with the flower bomb.
Yeah.
I think that's all the way back on Active Games.
Yeah, we'll put a link to our flower bomb experiment. Yeah.
Because it's surrounded by air.
Yeah.
And it's easier to combust in a powder.
Yeah, so the air-fuel ratio,
Yes.
right? When you get things into a really fine powder and lots of oxygen can get around them, they burn better.
Do you think if
and
we
iron is one of those things.
did the flower bomb experiment with it, it would work?
With iron?
Yeah.
I wouldn't bet that it would work with iron. You probably need a little bit hotter. That's why you're using the calcium sulfate too, right?
Yeah.
I don't think it would. But those little iron shavings are used in everything from like hand warmers because like when they rush, it's an
Produce
exothermic
heat. That's
reaction,
really
so they
cool.
produce heat, and then you use them in this. So there's lots of uses for iron shavings like that.
Yeah.
Did you learn something, Cooper?
Well, what did I learn?
Yeah, tell me something you learned.
Pretty much.
What does iron do when it gets really hot?
I don't know.
It makes sparks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just saw it make the little sparks, right?
It was really cool.
Wasn't that like little drops of iron?
Yeah, the little shavings of iron. Yeah, when they get super hot, they go.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah. I don't really know anything. So I'm like, okay, almost everything. If you add a liquid, it turns into a liquid. So I already knew that.
That was really good, Cooper. That was a great insight that we needed to make the iron in a liquid so we could paint it on the paper. That was an excellent insight.
Yes.
So everybody can contribute a little bit to the science, and we learned the experiment, right?
Yeah.
Good job, Cooper. Thank you, buddy, for your help.
Yeah.
Awesome. You want to get us out of here, Abba?
Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much to Mel Science for sending us this really cool kit. We're definitely having a lot of fun with it.
Yep.
And
We'll
I'm
do
sure
the other
you-
one tomorrow,
yes,
probably.
Tomorrow.
Yep.
Thank you
Subscribe.
guys. Yes. Make sure to press the subscribe button, like you said. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.